compare this one better.
So sweet, this one. I also had, like, with these cups sometimes, like, especially when they're in a cafe, you get that smell of the So we're gonna do YouTube. Oh, interesting. Okay.
What? Oh no.
So episode 1 of our first YouTube series. We're giving things a try. We've been talking about that for a long time, and it's part of us, not what we do now, and we're in the middle of it, so we're talking about competitions. But first of all, I'm Zjevaun, for the ones that don't know me. I started in coffee, I don't even remember when, but it's a long time ago, in a restaurant. Started in the kitchen, then slowly worked my way to the front, like polishing glasses and stuff like that. And then, so that like polishing machine was next to the espresso machine, so I got intrigued. I remember one time I was coming back when we were closed because I left my wallet, and then my chef, Francois, he was making some signatures with back then a Dutch Barista Champion, Schat, and I was like, what the heck are these guys doing? And I just sticked around, and before I knew it, I went to the Dutch Barista Championships where he won, and then I flew with them to London, 2010 this was, as polishing boy. I didn't polish a single glass. I was just looking around and just being amazed, and that's when I also decided I wanted to compete. Then competed, became Dutch champion 2012, stayed in that restaurant business, and then I decided like I want to do just coffee. So my world back then in 2013 was in Melbourne, and that was just a crazy city for me. And I knew I was gonna go back, so I booked a ticket back, and one-way ticket, and stayed there for 2.5 years together with Loes. Then came back to Rotterdam because we wanted to open our own cafe. So in Melbourne, worked in a couple of places like Kettle Black, and Loes worked in Higher Grounds, like massive cafes where like you do like almost 1,000 coffees a day. And all high quality. That was amazing. And then so came back to Rotterdam, opened up our own cafe, Harvest Cafe and Bakery, and slowly also opened up the roastery, Ripsnorter. That's where Chris came on board.
Yes. I'm Chris. I'm from Hong Kong. I worked at the coffee industry for 6 years before I came here. After COVID, and then 2021, and then I feel like, Harvest is an amazing cafe. Like everything, like kind of like a dream model for me, like for a cafe. Like they have a good service, they have an individual like kitchen, they have chef to decide different menu, and then they have like a really good, really nice coffee. And then I sent an email. I saw like they have like hiring someone for a barista, and okay, then I should try it. And I sent an email, and I do a trial on Saturday with Zjevaun.
Yeah. I remember that actually, because it was I don't really look at the Harvest email at all. Yeah. And I don't remember what I was doing there, but it was like I was looking for something, and then I saw your like application, and I was like, what is this? And I opened up the CV, as like, what? What? And I called Loes, like, hey Loes, who is this? And she's like, yeah, I don't know. He sent the email, but I don't know if we really need someone. I was like, well, yes, we do. Like, did you see his resume? And Loes is like, no, what do you mean? That was so funny.
Yeah. I was a Cup Taster champion in Hong Kong, and also a Brewers Cup champion in Hong Kong. Like Cup Taster is 2015, and then Brewers Cup 2018. So, but like, lucky like got me a job like there.
That was actually it was that was pretty funny. Yeah.
So and then I think I worked for half a year or 1 year, and then you asked me like, hey,
Yeah.
you want to do roasting?
Yeah.
Yeah. Actually, I'm also roasting a little bit, like as an assistant and helping in Hong Kong, that cafe. So okay, let's try roasting.
Yeah, now he's head roaster.
Yeah.
He's the man.
Yeah.
I remember the first comp we did together was the prelims 3 years ago, something like that. 3 years ago, I think. Yeah. And then dish on the top. And then the milk was also long. So everything I do here is longer than here. So how we prepare for the competition is we have a training room upstairs that we mimic the whole setup. So with tables, machine, everything. And that's where I sort of isolate myself for a couple of weeks leading up to D-Day. And then we invite some people as well to come and judge us so that we get that experience. And it's different, like, you know, if you're talking to nothing or you're talking to actual people where you can get feedback, not in words, but like in vibe and in facial expressions. It makes it so much different to speak to someone. So it's pretty cool that we have the opportunity to do that in-house and just like train. Yeah.
It really works when you like drink a lot, like almost every day.
Yeah.
You're doing like that, and you get used to it.
Yeah. And also like the tasting sessions also, they're quite intense.
Yeah.
They're very intense. So we have training sessions and tasting sessions. So we try to not do that on the same day because it makes no point. Like me on D-Day, I drink maybe like time. Hi judges, my name is Zjevaun, and I've always believed that curiosity is the seed of innovation. It opens doors to paths we never knew existed. But today I want to share with you what lies beyond those doors and take you on my personal journey to innovation.
Combien de temps encore devrais-je imaginer les lignes de ton corps, une à une dandinée sur le lit à ressort que je t'avais offert. Notre amour est bien mort et la note est amère. Est amère.
How we select our coffees for the competitions is mainly cupping a lot and a lot.
And we test a lot different roasting profile.
Lots of roasting profiles also. But I remember even choosing the coffee. I've like last year we really went a bit all out with like coffee selection we had. Like I remember one cupping that was even just one of the cuppings we had like 30 something.
30 sample like
just
table.
like all great coffees, like amazing coffees, and we were like, I remember we were like cupping. It was like, at one point you had to like sort of pinch yourself, like, hey, wait, these coffees are amazing, but you need to really like get. I don't know, you don't really get that excited anymore about coffees. That's a hard thing, also, I think, of selecting coffee because you need to select wisely. Also, like it needs to like get points tactile, but also flavor intensity, accuracy, stuff like that are so important, or actually the main things. So you're cupping some coffees that are just... Now the second coffee is a new generation Ají Bourbon from Nestor Lasso at Finca El Diviso in Pitalito. I vividly remember tasting this coffee for the very first time. Now judges, please flip that triangle towards me. Thank you so much. Now judges, the espresso recipes for today are 20 grams in, 42 out in 24 seconds. This shot showcases the delicate flavors of the geisha. Stir the coffee 5 times and discard the spoons in the white cup in front of you. I think we changed team like 5 times maybe.
Yeah.
We were really struggling to find
a good balance for like explanation of the coffee and also explain your theme and everything and the technical part. Like,
it was hard. I think also because like at one point you just get tired. You're just tired of everything, and and then I don't know, we just didn't. I was not feeling it at all, zero.
Yeah.
I wanted to pull back everything, like I was not feeling it at all. But we went to Amsterdam. We did the run and we won, so that's good. Also, we used Esmeralda coffee from a natural geisha from Esmeralda, and also a ají bourbon from Nestor Lasso. But yeah, we went to Amsterdam, did the run, and also that also felt so different for me because we just came from Busan, so
Back to back.
yeah, it was like I was pretty calm even backstage. I remember you were helping Isam. I was just polishing my things. I was like, okay, what time is it? We try to like sort of give you a bit of insight of what we do here. Don't forget to subscribe to the video, like it, do whatever, and hope to see you soon in the next video. Yeah.
Yep, that's it.
That's it.